I like a day that's not cloudy and a tea that's not cloudy. That's why I like Louisiana. The one tea that's always clear as a bell. Well, time passed slowly. Rudolph existed as best he could. The snow monster kept him on the run, but once in a while he would stop and make a friend, or two. But it wouldn't last long, and Rudolph would be on his own again. But during all that time, a strange and wonderful thing was happening. Rudolph was growing up. And growing up made Rudolph realize you can't run away from your troubles. And pretty soon he knew where he had to go. Home.
I'm on my way at last. Father who loves me better than anything, to Mars, Dad. Right, Dad. And farewell to you, Earth Father. Yes, dear old Dad. It won't hurt a bit.
Joe!
Keep your wig warm, Dad. I'll be back. Double sarsaparilla soda, Mr. Quick Draw. And firewood for the fireplace.
It won't fit.
I'm going as the longest dachshund in the world. Going duck hunting, Mr. Quick Draw. Right. Come on, Daddy Ball.
Come in, I'll...
It never misses, Quick Draw. Watch.
Ah, hola, Doggie. Dile la forma en que vuela en el aire. ¡Ja, ja! Un redoble. ¡Ja, ja! Es encantador. ¿Cómo nos divertimos los perros? Déjame pensar. Persigo una vara y entierro el hueso. Persigo una vara y entierro el hueso. Pero no me preocupa. A pesar de que siempre tuve una secreta. Ah, no debes decirme eso, Jackie. Lastimas mis sentimientos.